that has, so this is, yeah.
It was a cinema.
So we just came to Home Depot because we're gonna be painting one of the rooms. Like if y'all seen the house, like some of the walls are like this light blue color that I absolutely hate. The bathroom is like have like this cream color I absolutely hate. And today is Saturday. Afterwards we'll probably go and grab some food. We're just waiting on the guy now so he can let us know how much paint we need and stuff like that for either one room or one of the bathrooms and one of the rooms.
Looking for some sort of color like that, the beach house white.
Yeah.
Okay. What color are the walls now?
The one room is like a dark gray.
Yeah.
It was a cinema before, and then the other room is quite light yellow.
Yeah.
Should be good, right?
Yeah.
And it's going to have the label on.
Oh, perfect.
So you don't have to remember. So if you even take a photo of this,
Okay.
when you come in, this number here will turn around and it will say, we'll pull it up and it'll say, oh, you bought a gallon of eggshell paint in this color.
And
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, I want to kind of do like a little bit of home updates. Well, not home. Well, yeah, I guess you can say home updates, whatever. Today is a Monday, and it's actually a week before we go out of town. But I want to get this extra room painted. As you guys can see, the walls are gray, and I want to paint them white. And the clips before, we went to Home Depot to pick out the paint and everything like that. So the walls, I'm gonna show the room in a few, but the walls are all gray. And even the ceiling is like has like a textured, but it's gray too. It's pretty dark in here too. The light looks pretty good right now, but once I get done with the room painted, and I want to like take these down and probably put like just regular curtains, have my mom come and probably put some curtain rods and curtains up, or even make me some curtains. And there's another window over here as well that has the same wood curtain or whatever this is. I don't know. It's like a wood texture thing. I want to change out the light as well. The walls are all blue. That blue color, I don't like it. Like literally, I don't know why they even did that, but like most of the walls are blue. The doors are blue, or the doors are wooden. Like my daughter's room, it's a wooden door, but it has like a crack in the door. Eventually that will all get taken care of, but right now I just want to get this room done. I can just get started, and hopefully this will be done, but I'm starting tonight. Right close to the edge.
Yeah, all the way. Just don't put it on the grey part. Don't put it on the wall part. Just put it on the floor part.
Yeah.
All the way.
Okay. Welcome to another day in this vlog. Don't mind how I'm looking. Let me close that door because the TV is on. I'm about to start painting it. First and foremost, excuse how I'm looking. I look crazy as heck. Just got off of work not too long ago. Yeah, I was hungry AF, so I ate. Anywho, I've been meaning to get this room done, y'all, for weeks. Okay. Ooh, I am ashy. I had on a long sleeve shirt. Ooh, child. Don't mind that. Anyways, but and I hope y'all can see me. I'm gonna turn this way because the light is like good right here. So yeah, I've been meaning to paint this room before we left to go to Scotland. That video should be up, and I'm recording off my phone because my DJI, first of all, I think that's going dead. I need to be charging it while I'm like recording some of this on my phone, because this is going to be a long, I'll probably have to cut y'all off or whatever and then turn y'all back on, so I might as well charge that. But I cannot upload any clips from my SD card onto my computer because I have an external hard drive, and my external hard drive went out on me once I came back from Scotland, and I wanted to edit the Scotland vlog. So now I'm waiting to get a external hard drive, and then I'll be able to, you know, add the clips onto my laptop onto Final Cut. I just don't want to like upload it onto my computer. I don't know why. I like everything to go from the external hard drive straight to Final Cut Pro. But anyway, let me go ahead and get started because it's like 6:30, and I'm pretty sure I'll be on this all night. I'm gonna paint the primer on tonight, and then tomorrow I'll just complete the bedroom, painting the bedroom, and hopefully by Monday we can have this room ready. We have 5 more days, y'all, to get this room together. Okay, almost before I had this room into like a movie theater, so that's why the silver lining is back there. They wanted to make this room really dark. As y'all can see, the walls are gray, and they have that on there to keep the sun out or whatever. So anyway, eventually I'm planning on putting curtains up and taking that off. So let's get started. All right, y'all, I got my mask on. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Y'all, this paint is so freaking strong. Let's just get this primer on. Welcome to day 3 of painting this room, and today is a Saturday. I just primed the room, and I had to do 2 coats. Let me just explain really quick. So the first time my boyfriend came in the room, and I was telling him, I was like, how does it look? He was like, it looks good or whatever. Even though it wasn't really dry at the moment, I was thinking that I only had to do 1 coat, right? Something told me to tell my boyfriend. I was like, babe, do you want to see how the room is looking? Because it wasn't looking right to me. And this is my first time painting ever. So, and he's like, oh, it looks good, but you might have to do 2 coats. I was like, what? I had to do a 2nd coat, and I had to trim the outline with paint and had to go over that as well. So I'm gonna show y'all the room real quick, but before I do, it's not done. I have on a shower cap because I'm about to paint our popcorn ceiling. Last night I got paint all over me, y'all, like on my face. Thank God none didn't get in my hair, but on my face, on my arms, a little bit on my legs because I had on these pants that I'm wearing again today. And I just have on like pretty much night clothes, and then I got my daughter socks, these green socks, because they don't wear colored socks anymore. So I was like, okay, just in case, because I don't want no paint getting on I don't want paint getting anywhere, to be honest. So especially then I'm about to do the ceiling. So yeah, I might look crazy, but whatever. Y'all know how I pop out when I do pop out, okay? But anyways, let me go show y'all. I just did the outline on the ceiling. Like, y'all, this room is like so old. So this is how the walls are looking. I'm going to ask my boyfriend if I should do another coat. But if I think last night he said this should be good, because I have to do 2 coats of the white paint that's going over this anyway. So let me go ahead and get started with the ceilings, because this might take about an hour and a half. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all can hear me over the TV, but this is the first coat. I keep saying coat. I'm gonna let that dry, try to start painting the walls, because I already did 2 coats of the primer, And this is how it's looking. I don't know, but whatever. We'll see how the outcome is. To day 4, I think. I didn't even like turn you guys started recording last night because I was just trying to get done, but already started doing the, now instead of the primer, the actual paint on the walls. This is how they are looking right now. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm just gonna finish off. I'm finishing off doing the ceilings. As you guys can see, I'm going to just finish recording that part. But yeah, y'all, I already did the walls in the bedroom. I had to touch up a few places in here, but it's looking so freaking good right now. And yes, I am looking like how I was looking last night because I'm not trying to mess up a lot of my clothing. So anyways, let me prop you guys up. The lighting is so bad in here. Oh my gosh, I look so dark. Eventually, I want to take this light out like I was saying before. But anyways, let's just get finished because today is Sunday. And I have to be done with this room by Wednesday. And I do work a 9 to 5. So let me go ahead, try to get done so this project could be done. Okay. Done. Well, not really. So those over there are cords that we had connected to our cameras outside, but we decided to take the cameras out of this room and we left the curtains up for now until I can get some different curtains. But y'all, look how I painted this room. I am so proud of myself. Like, don't look too close because like in the corners and stuff, I still need to touch it up, but his dad is he's not gonna notice that, y'all. And then we also got a TV for his room. We got that yesterday, and we decided to leave this dresser in here. I absolutely hate these dressers that's in here, but until we can get more, this will just do for now. And then my boyfriend's brother just put these nightstands together. I didn't record that because I didn't know if his brother wanted to be on camera or not. It goes perfect with the furniture. Not really perfect, but whatever. Let me move this back a little bit. And then we can't take off that gold stuff. I think we'll have to eventually, well, not eventually. I'm going to see if my boyfriend can take that silver piece off. But he said that they must have like glued it on to the windows, which is so weird to me.